Log into eAuditor. Access the eAuditor app on a mobile device or tablet and select or create the Escalator Maintenance Inspection Checklist template. Input key details. Enter essential information including property name, escalator location, manufacturer name, serial number, date and time, and inspector's name. Review records. Examine previous maintenance records and relevant safety regulations before beginning the inspection process. Steps and treads. Examine for wear, damage, or misalignment that could affect passenger safety or escalator operation. Handrails and skirt panels. Check for proper alignment, wear patterns, and potential hazards that could cause passenger injury. Floor plates and safety signage. Verify secure installation of floor plates and presence of all required safety signage in visible locations. Using eAuditor, mark items as satisfactory, needs attention, or unsatisfactory. Attach photos of any issues and add detailed comments regarding cleaning, repairs, or replacement needs. Verify proper functioning of all controls and indicators, checking for loose connections or signs of overheating. Inspect for frayed wires, loose connections, or any damage that could pose electrical hazards. Test all lighting systems and emergency stop buttons to ensure immediate response when activated. Check that all grounding connections are secure and properly installed to prevent electrical accidents. Safety sensors. Test all sensors to ensure they detect obstructions and trigger appropriate safety responses. Emergency stops. Verify all emergency stop buttons are accessible and function immediately when pressed. Skirt deflectors. Check that deflectors are properly aligned to prevent entrapment between steps and skirt panels. Handrail speed sensors. Confirm sensors detect any speed differential between steps and handrails to prevent accidents. In eAuditor, mark each safety system as operational, needs attention, or not operational, with supporting photos and detailed comments for any issues requiring attention. Drive chains. Inspect for proper tension, alignment, and lubrication. Check for wear, stretching, or damaged links. Motors and gears. Examine for unusual noise, vibration, or overheating. Verify proper alignment and operation. Bearings. Check for smooth operation, proper lubrication, and signs of wear or damage. Brake systems. Test for proper engagement and release. Verify brake pads have sufficient material remaining. Step chains. Verify chains are properly lubricated with no excess oil accumulation or dry spots that could cause premature wear. Bearings and drive systems. Check that all bearings have sufficient lubrication and drive systems are free from debris and contamination. Handrails. Ensure handrails are clean, move smoothly, and have appropriate friction coating for passenger safety. Mark lubrication levels in eAuditor as sufficient or insufficient, with supporting photos and comments on specific cleaning or lubrication requirements. Review findings. Examine all recorded observations and photos to ensure completeness. Assign status. Categorize the escalator as operational, needs attention, or not operational. Obtain signatures. Collect digital signatures from inspector and supervisor. Generate report. Create PDF report and share via email or cloud storage. Regular inspections using eAuditor improve passenger safety, reduce breakdowns, and prolong escalator lifespan. The platform's digital tools enhance consistency and accuracy while allowing quick identification of issues, ensuring reliable performance in public and commercial spaces.